Hello, friends! In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up on Snapchat quickly and easily. First, install the Snapchat app on your phone and open it. Next, tap on the Sign Up option, enter your name, and click on Sign Up Accept. Now, select your date of birth and proceed. Create a unique username for yourself and make sure it's available. Set a strong password that you can easily remember. You'll need to enter your email or phone number for vacation Junior Kudu. See, it's that simple. Start exploring Snapchat today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.